Today is an important day. We're learning the symbols Python used to check truth. They are called comparison operators, and they return only two possible answers, true or false. Let's start with a simple example. Let's check if 5 is greater than 3. Print 5 is greater than 3. If we run this code, the system says true. Another example is to check if 7 equals 7. If we check that, we're going to get true. Now let's check if 7 as a number equals 7 as a string. We get false. Now another example could be, let's check if 10 is not equal to 2, and that's true. 10 is not equal to 2. Now listen to this carefully. Beginners always mix this up. The equal sign assigns value, while the double equal sign compares value. Let's use a comparison beside an if statement. Let's say age equals 17, and if age is not equal to 18, print not exactly 18. Now your task. Ask the user for a number. If it's greater than 100, print big number, else print small number. Then jump on waala.dev for today's comparison quiz.